Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Happy Friday everyone. Before we get into the burn, let's jump to this week's channel shout out. We'll do that right now. Alrighty, let's get to this week's channel shout out. Give these a pre-mix. I don't want them clumping together. Man, I'm down to like maybe 8. I still haven't sat down and gone through all these. There we go. This week's channel shout out is Anchor 440. I think I already did pulled his name, but that's fine. Good dude, real good dude, really great at commenting. I will of course link his channel in the description. Let's get to the burn. Alrighty, now because there's a school nearby me, I'm purposely making my fire tiny because it'll go out quick. So I want someone to see the smoke and be like, OMG, smoke. Then I can explain myself to the fire department. So we're going to use the Nathan 4071 Godzilla, that's what I called it. Hang on, there we go. Come on. You're Fatwood, you shouldn't be blown out by a little bit of a breeze. There we go. Yeah, I love this BPS-3. It's a pretty sweet knife. Pretty much only use it for Fridays now. I should add it to the rotation. Nice. Well, alrighty, just a simple little burn, nothing too complicated, nothing too big because of the kids. You can probably hear them in the background. And squirrels squawking at me. What if I can get a picture of him? There he is. Oh, nature. Yeah, I see you, bud. Don't have any nuts for you. Well, I got 2, but I don't want you chewing on them. Yeah, I see ya. Hi, how you doing? What? Without clear indication or clear signal, I don't know what you're asking for. If you're looking for food, I don't have any. You can't have my BPS-3. No. Alright, so we're getting serenaded by squirrel. Anyway, let's throw happy birthday to the legend, the man, the myth, the legend, Ron T. Sawyer. His birthday was this week, so happy birthday, brother. Don't forget to check out Anchor 440. He'll be linked below, along with Ron. And yeah, I've angered him. I've angered the beast. So anyway, thanks for watching. And as always, I tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Every single one of you is valued. And let's not forget, 22 a day. 22 of our veterans take their lives daily, and it should be 0. So let's not forget a vet. And if you can reach out, get them to Mission 22 website will be below, and also suicide prevention hotline will be down in the description as well. Maybe you can get them that number. Maybe just talk to them, do something, and we'll catch you in the next one.